Hey everyone. Today, I'm giving you a step-by-step guide on how to use mSpy, one of the most popular monitoring apps. Whether you're a parent or someone looking to keep track of devices, this tutorial will make it simple for you. Also, I've created a newsletter to keep you updated with the best tools and solutions. And when you sign up, you'll get my free ebook titled Digital Safety Made Simple. It's packed with tips to help you make smarter digital choices. The link is in the description. Don't miss out. Start by visiting the official mSpy website and selecting a subscription plan. They offer monthly, quarterly, and annual plans. Choose the one that fits your needs and create an account. For iPhones, log into your mSpy account. You'll need the iCloud credentials of the device you want to monitor. Enable backups in iCloud to sync data with mSpy. For Android, download the mSpy APK from your account dashboard. Install it on the target device. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure permissions. Once installed, log into your mSpy dashboard on your computer or phone. From here, you can monitor call logs and messages, social media activities like WhatsApp and Instagram, real-time locations and geofencing, browsing history, and more. Here's the deal. No app is perfect, including mSpy. That's why I created a newsletter to help you stay informed and make the right choices. When you join, you'll get exclusive insights into better alternatives to apps like mSpy, regular updates on the latest digital safety tools and trends. The newsletter is free, and the link is in the description. Sign up today and take control of your digital life. mSpy is a powerful tool when used correctly, but it's not the only option out there. If you're serious about making informed decisions, don't forget to grab my free ebook and sign up for the newsletter. It's your key to finding the best tools and staying ahead in the digital world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.